Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. Many years ago, before I even had a shop and back when I was still studying design, I made my first proper project, which was actually the project that got me into making stuff. And that is this tattoo machine. As you can see, this tattoo machine is built from stuff that I had flying around, everyday objects. I love the aesthetic and I was super proud when it actually worked. Now I want to revisit the idea of building my own tattoo machine with scraps and from scratch. But this time I am not going to build a rotary tattoo machine, I'm going to build a proper coil tattoo machine. second to understand how this works. So these are the coils that get magnetic once the circuit is closed. And this little screw right here touches the ruler. And when they touch, the circuit is closed, the coils get magnetic. This goes forward because the coils attract them, and that pushes the needle out in the front. Now, once they hit the coils, they don't touch the screw anymore, which means the circuit is broken, which means the coils are no longer electric, which means that this one goes back, touches the screw again, the coils get magnetic because the circuit is closed, and it starts all over again. So it's basically a circuit breaker thing. When it's closed, it hits forward, the circuit is broken, it goes back, and this is the back and forth motion. And this little capacitor right here helps with reducing the sparks and just makes the machine run a little bit more smooth. So far so good, but now let's see if it actually works. But I'm not going to tattoo myself, I'm going to test this on a banana first. If you like what I do, please check out more videos somewhere here, maybe subscribe to my channel. Most of all, I want to thank you guys for watching, but also if you want to learn about the people who support my channel, the friends, sponsors and partners who make all of this happen, check out the links in the description, and I will see you next week with a new video.